Hello, first graders. This is Mrs. Ockers from South Elementary. Today, I'm going to teach you how to write an equation to match a word problem, how to solve a word problem using a strategy, and how to add three numbers in an equation. Let's go. There are 16 blue circles on this slide. Some of the circles have been covered by the splat. Turn and tell someone at home how many circles you see. If you said you see 7 blue circles, you are correct. I see 5, 6, 7. Now, let's look at it again. How many circles do you think are covered by the splat? Turn and tell someone at home your answer. If you said there must be 9 blue circles under the splat, you are correct. Let's talk about what we learned from this picture. I know by looking at this slide that 16 is the whole. The part that is shown is 7 blue circles. The unknown part is under the splat. Turn and tell someone at home how you figured out how many blue circles were under the splat. This is what I thought. If 16 is my whole and the part is 7, what part is missing? I put my finger on the 7 on the number path. And I counted on 9 to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I thought there must be 9 blue circles under the splat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 12 owls. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's sort the owls by their color. 6 of the owls are blue. I'm going to put them in the first part. 4 of the owls are orange. I'm going to put them in the next part. 2 of the owls are pink. I'm going to put them in this part. Now we have our owls sorted by color. Take a look at the work map. Turn and tell someone at home what you know. If you said there are 3 parts, you are correct. The first part shows me that I have 6 blue owls. The next part shows me I have 4 orange owls. The last part shows me I have 2 pink owls. What is my whole? Turn and tell someone at home. If you said there are 12 owls in all, you are correct. Great job. I know this because in my first part I have 6 blue owls. And my second part I have 4 orange owls. I know if we combine our first two parts, 6 and 4, it makes 10. Now, let's combine our third part. If I know 6 plus 4 equals 10, then 2 more makes 12. The sum of these three parts is 12. Let's write an equation to represent our problem. I know that 12 is my whole because there are 12 owls in all. Now, let's look at each part. I know there are 3 parts, so I need to add 3 numbers. 6 blue owls plus 4 orange owls plus 2 pink owls. So 12 equals 6 plus 4 plus 2. Wow, first graders. Let's try it again. This time I have 11 stars. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's sort the stars by their color. 4 of the stars are pink. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put them in this first part. 4 of the stars are orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put them in the second part. 3 of the stars are green. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put them in the third part. Now we have our stars sorted by color. Take a look at this work mat. Turn and tell someone at home what you know. If you said there are 3 parts, you are correct. The first part shows me I have 4 pink stars. The second part shows me I have 4 orange stars. The third part shows me that I have 3 green stars. If you combine each of these 3 parts, what is the whole or total? Turn and tell someone at home. If you said there are 11 stars in all, you are correct. Great job. I know this because in my first part, I have 4 pink stars, and my second part, I have 4 orange stars, and I know if we combine our first 2 parts, 4 and 4 makes 8. That's a doubles fact. Now, let's combine the third part. If I know 4 plus 4 equals 8, and I add 3 more, that makes 11. The sum of these 3 parts is 11. Let's write an equation to represent our problem. I know that 11 is my whole because there are 11 stars in all. Now, let's look at each part. I know there are 3 parts, so I need to add 3 numbers. 4 pink stars plus 4 orange stars plus 3 green stars equals 11 stars. So 4 plus 4 plus 3 equals 11. Super, first graders. Let's solve this word problem together. Joey had 3 red gumballs and 5 blue gumballs in his gumball machine. His mom gave him 9 yellow gumballs. How many gumballs does Joey have in all? Turn and tell someone at home how you would solve this problem. If you said add all 3 parts, you are correct. Let's work through this problem together. I know Joey has 3 red gumballs. That's my first part. The next part I know is Joey has 5 blue gumballs. The last part is Joey's mom gives him 9 yellow gumballs. I need to find out how many gumballs Joey has in all. Let's count the parts together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I know Joey has 17 gumballs in all. Now, let's write an equation to match the word problem. Turn and tell someone at home how you would write this equation. If you said 3 plus 5 plus 9 equals 17, you are correct. Way to go, first graders. Let's solve another word problem together. There were 7 brown dogs at the park. A dog walker came with 5 white dogs and 1 orange dog. How many dogs were at the park? Turn and tell someone at home how you would solve this problem. If you said that we need to sort the dogs into 3 parts first, you are correct. So we have our 7 brown dogs, 5 white dogs, and 1 orange dog. What should we do next? Turn and tell someone at home. If you said we need to combine the first 2 parts with the counting on strategy, you are correct. Let's count them. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I know there are 12 dogs in the first 2 parts. Now, turn and tell someone at home what we should do next. If you said we need to add our third part, you are correct. There is 1 dog in the last part. Let's add it on to 12. So 12, 13. There are 13 dogs at the dog park. Now, let's write an equation to match the word problem. Turn and tell someone at home what you would write. If you said 7 plus 5 plus 1 equals 13, you are amazing. Great job! Now, here is your math assignment for today. You need to write an equation with 3 addends to show how many bears Sally has in all. Do your best!